Let's begin there. Episode number 24, a platform where we invite everyday game changers to come and share their stories. From the belief that we are all working towards a particular kind of success. Success means different things to different people. So we are all moving towards a particular kind of success, and we are not alone in this journey, right? We are moving together in a particular direction, and we can take inspiration from people in our everyday life. The people who come over here and share their stories have been bringing about certain changes in their lives. They are facing challenges, they are overcoming those challenges, they are using various tips and techniques in their lives, seeing what is working for them, not working for them, and then bringing about the changes that they feel is necessary in their life. Why are they sharing it here with us on this particular platform? It is so that if we are also going through a similar struggle, if we are also going through something similar, then we can maybe take inspiration from them and see how to incorporate these things that are going on in our lives as well, so that we know that we are not alone in this journey called life. We are not alone, and we can keep going ahead and taking inspiration and seeking inspiration from anyone and everyone around us. Our everyday game changer, fourth everyday game changer for today is Shafi Andy. He is a singer, guitarist, and he is launching his solo debut project very soon. He's also the director of one of the apparel brands, Altruis, and he will be sharing his stories, his journey, what are the everyday challenges that he has faced in his life over here with us. We will get to know more about him and how did he overcome those challenges, and maybe understand what more it is that we can incorporate in our lives as well. So if you have some questions with you, feel free to ask them when he joins us. As of now, he has not joined us yet. Let me just send him the request until then. And here I'm sending the request. So Shafi will be joining us, and here he is. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. How about you?
I am good, doing good too. I've given a very small introduction about you before you joined us in the live over here. But why don't you introduce yourself and let us know more about you?
Um, to introduce not like the what how HR takes, right? Hi,
Okay.
by the way, I'm Shafi Azad, and I am a singer and songwriter.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to be one, and
Mm-hmm.
it's still a journey for me. And
Mm-hmm.
I've also started an apparel brand a few months back,
Yeah.
and we are doing good with the business, but this lockdown is coming again, I guess, so it's going to affect the
Yeah.
business as well.
Yeah. This lockdown has brought so many challenges that we were, as it is, not expecting in our lives.
Yeah, man,
And
because living at home doing nothing for 1.5 year, maybe more than that,
yeah.
was a really long gap for the people who were working or the
Yeah.
people who were doing something with their life.
Mm.
बहुत ज़्यादा change आया in maybe in also the daily routine, like how, when you wake up, when you
Yeah.
sleep, and
Absolutely.
this lockdown has given an another habit which is very bad, which is gaming.
Gaming. Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting. We would like to know
so
more about this aspect, So when you mentioned you are a singer and guitarist, and then you are now talking about all the challenges that people are facing because of COVID. So was it during COVID that you recognized or realized that you want to launch your solo project?
yeah, because it happened because of the situation. It
Mm-hmm.
happened because I used to live in Noida before,
Okay.
so I used to live with all my band members, and the
Mm.
house in which we were living, that was very expensive. So
Okay.
being here at our house in like my hometown and everybody at their hometown, we were paying just the rent for 1 year. That
Oh
was
my God.
very,
Yeah.
yeah, that was very hard to pay, like all the savings whichever we had through shows or whatever we did in our lives.
Mm.
So all our savings went away, man. Just by giving the rent.
Okay.
So that was and one thing I'm going to tell you, when you talk to me or when you put a question to me, I actually forget कि question क्या था, and I go in a different way.
Okay. So
Yeah.
if you don't answer my question, I will remind you about the question
Yes,
again.
yes,
Sorry
please.
about
Yes. Yeah.
that. So the question was it during a lockdown that you realized you want to launch your solo?
Yeah. It was during the lockdown because after that lockdown, like when everything started, we
Hmm.
came in and I was that we can't go ahead with the band anymore because there were no live shows.
Correct. Yeah.
And I was just sitting idle. I was doing my writing thing and XYZ, whatever we used to do.
Hmm.
So I came up with the thing कि अब तो band रहा नहीं, what to do?
Hmm.
I can't just
Correct.
give up on my songs. So I
Hmm.
spoke to one or two producers of who are my friend, and they
Hmm.
said like your songs are good and we can do something about it. So that from that I came into that position. Yes, I can. Let me take out my own solo album thing, and we'll
Hmm.
see what to do.
Oh wow, that's really nice. It was so positive of the producers and everyone to, share ki we can do something about it. So
That was a very good thing for me.
yeah. So what are the everyday challenges that you are facing in your life right now?
Overthinking.
Overthinking. Okay.
Yeah, I
Oh.
overthink a lot about
Mm-hmm.
about what's going to happen if I'm not gonna do this. What's gonna
Yeah.
happen if I'm going to do this? Especially worrying about the result, whether it's going to be positive or not. And that
Mm-hmm.
sucks up a really long time. Like आप सोचने बैठे हो ऐसे और किसी चीज के आप बारे सोच रहे हो and you realize कि भाई 1 घंटा हो गया इस चीज को मेरे को सोचते सोचते. So that is completely waste of time. You can't do anything about it. So
Correct.
you need to overcome that thing. अगर आपको कोई चीज परेशान कर रहा है and you're not able to sort it out, then what I would suggest anybody is talk about it. Maybe with
Okay.
your parent, maybe with your friend,
Hmm.
maybe whoever you consider ki that person is going to give me the right way to go ahead in my life or whatever problems they are facing. So I
Hmm.
think one should talk अगर आपको कोई issue वगैरह है तो.
Absolutely. So the everyday struggle that you are talking about here is overthinking. And like you
Yes,
rightly mentioned, overthinking that too about the result, कि क्या होगा,
yes,
कैसे होगा. And then you
हाँ,
mentioned कि while you are thinking, you realize कि okay, 1 घंटा हो चुका है, we have not done anything as such, आगे कुछ
hmm,
किया ही नहीं, 1 घंटे से सोच ही रहे हैं. So this is one of
nothing
the
productive.
nothing productive. So this is one of the
Yes.
everyday challenges that you're facing in your life.
Hmm.
But I would like to know at what point did you realize कि okay, I am overthinking a lot. This is actually a problem. Kuch, oh, I'm not able to, do anything productive. What was that point in your life?
That point was again that Corona wala thing, lockdown.
Yeah.
At a point, I am a guy who likes to be in routine. Well, I
Mm.
have a routine to wake up. I can't, like अगर 15 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा हो गया then I have to make that up कि कैसे
Yeah.
उसको मेकअप करे. तो फिर इसी वजह से फिर I came into कि भाई अब it's time. I can't just think. It's time to do. Like
Correct.
when I feel like when I'm having some kind of music in my mind, what I do is I keep on thinking about it again and again.
Yeah.
And later I realized, और जो कि बहुत आर्टिस्ट करते हैं एक चीज कि भाई जो आपके दिमाग में जो म्यूजिक आ रहा है वॉट एवर म्यूजिक व्हाई कांट यू जस्ट सिंग फ्रॉम योर माउथ एंड रिकॉर्ड इट इज गोइंग टू बी
Oh,
विद यू. क्योंकि
yeah.
whenever someone is making music,
Hmm.
अगर माइंड में बना रहा है या अचानक से कुछ गाते गाते कुछ अच्छा लाइन निकल गया, and if that person is not writing or not recording, that thing is never gonna come in their life. Never.
Oh, wow. Before
So,
I add on to that,
yeah.
here Sumit has dropped a message. Hi, Shafiq. Great to see you after so long, and how? God bless, brother.
I'm doing good, bro. How are you? Actually, he's my senior.
He's your senior.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, he's my senior in my school, and we have
Okay.
done a lot of things together.
Mm-hmm.
And he loves me, I love him a lot, and we are in touch.
That is wonderful. And a good thing, start with H has mentioned more power to you. Vishal says, same here. How shall one stop? I am suffering from overthinking while I'm awake and while I'm asleep. So there are people who are considering the same, they're going through the same everyday struggle, overthinking.
Hmm.
And right now you mentioned the point in your life when you realized that overthinking was a problem was during COVID. कि, you
Yeah.
know, you're thinking about the song, but you're not writing it and things are not moving forward. तो कुछ तो करना
Hmm.
पड़ेगा. And then you
Hmm.
mentioned that at least you can record it if you're not writing it, or if you are, you
Hmm.
know, you can just sing it out loud.
Yes.
Yes. So
Not
what have
exactly
you?
saying it. Sorry. Please go ahead.
No, no, please continue. No,
No,
you
no, it's
continue.
okay. You good.
Okay. So what do you do in these situations now
What do I
when you
do?
face overthinking?
I just stand up and I just do something else, which is going to be productive. Like अगर मैं बैठा हूँ और मैं बहुत ज्यादा सोच रहा हूँ तो सोचने से
Yeah,
कोई फायदा नहीं
correct.
है. इंस्टेड आप अगर मतलब somebody is asking me आप इस चीज को कैसे ओवरकम करोगे, देन आई वुड से कि अगर आप किसी चीज को ओवर थिंक कर रहे हो ना, उससे अच्छा उस चीज को आप प्लान कर लो.
Okay, okay.
है ना.
Yeah.
आप किसी भी चीज के बारे में ओवरथिंक कब करते हो? व्हेन यू आर लाइक, आप जॉब के बारे में ओवरथिंक कर सकते हो कि लाइक यार माय बॉस इज गोइंग टू किल मी टुमारो, आई हैव नॉट डन माय प्रेजेंटेशन, राइट.
Hmm.
या तो फिर आप सोचते हो कि यार कल कैसे छुट्टी ले, कैसे क्या बहाना बनाए.
Hmm.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो
Correct.
ओवरथिंक जब आप कर रहे हो तो आप जो चीज को सोच रहे हो उसको सोचो एक
Hmm.
लिमिट तक, 5 मिनट 10 मिनट सोचो, एंड यू
Hmm.
हैव योर बाथरूम टू थिंक अबाउट इट. सिट
Mm-hmm.
देयर एंड थिंक हाउ मच एवर यू वांट टू. ठीक है, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम सिटिंग इन योर बेड एंड प्लान
Absolutely.
इट आउट. अगर आप
Planet.
फ्यूचर में कोई बिजनेस करने का सोच रहे हैं तो आप बस ऐसे बैठ के नहीं सोच सकते कि हाँ मैं अमेजोन में बेचूंगा या फ्लिपकार्ट में बेचूंगा. यू नीड टू गो थ्रू दैट प्रोसेस कि वो सारा चीज होता कैसे है. ये नहीं कि आदमी डायरेक्ट तुरंत, आजकल तो एप्लीकेशन वाला सीन हो गया है, डाउनलोड किया और शुरू हो गए. तो एटलीस्ट आप वो एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करो और उसको
Mm.
देखो कि उसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज का जरूरत है, तो कम से कम आप एक स्टेप अहेड तो जाओगे, आप
Correct.
स्टक नहीं
Yeah.
रहोगे.
Correct. Okay, very interesting. So you said that when you start overthinking, instead of just thinking about it, start planning. वो whatever that reason may be, वो कोई भी thought हो जिसके वजह से you are
हम्म.
overthinking, start
हम्म.
planning towards it
अबाउट
and
इट, यस.
start planning about it. And you also mentioned कि set a limit on your overthinking. I absolutely like that part. So it's not about कि you don't have to overthink, stop thinking at all. It's just that put
हम्म.
a limit to it. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. But
हम्म.
once that is crossed, get up and do something related to that thought.
यस.
And maybe make a plan or maybe download some application related to it, maybe note it down somewhere. Just take some action towards it.
यस, एंड वन मोर थिंग इज, if you're planning something, you need to, I do that, so I would say कि आप मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स को जरूर सुनो.
Okay. Okay.
दिन में एक बार, इफ यू आर फीलिंग लो कि ब्रो नहीं हो पा रहा है, जस्ट लिसन टू दैट whoever you love, like ड्वेन जॉनसन द रॉक,
Yeah.
उनका भी बहुत अच्छा जर्नी रहा है लाइफ का. आर्नल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर का बहुत अच्छा जर्नी रहा है लाइफ का. शाहरुख खान का बहुत अच्छा जर्नी रहा है लाइफ का. द स्ट्रगल्स दे
Yeah.
हैव गॉन थ्रू, तो इनके पॉडकास्ट को सुनो और समझो कि मतलब एग्जैक्टली भाई, अगर आप बॉडी बिल्ड कर रहे हो
Hmm.
तो कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना, कि मतलब आपको कुछ मोटिवेशन मिलना चाहिए एवरी डे.
Absolutely. Yeah.
यू जस्ट कांट जस्ट वेक अप एंड फील लाइक कि यार आज तो लेग से कैसे करूं, एंड पीपल स्किप, पीपल
True.
स्किप. तो
True.
स्किप करने से अच्छा, व्हाट वाज आई सेइंग.
You were talking about listening to motivational speakers
हाँ, तो मतलब
while
एटलीस्ट
planning.
आपको हाँ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर सुनने से वो पुश मिल जाएगा मॉर्निंग का, या फिर कोई भी चीज करने का कि हाँ ये कर सकता है ना भाई, ये नॉर्मल आदमी था तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ.
Absolutely, absolutely. So taking inspiration from already successful people or knowing कौन है these people in our journey, in our
हम्म.
industry who have also been through probably similar struggles or some kind of struggles, and what is it that we can take from them, because you never know, right? सुनते सुनते हमें हमारे problem का solution मिल जाएगा. Like
जी.
we're just listening to them for some other reason to
हम्म.
maybe seek motivation, but they end up solving our problem or showing us the direction. Ki, okay, we have to move
Yeah,
in this
at least they
line.
give a ray of hope.
Mm,
Doing nothing is better than ray of hope. Just
absolutely,
have it. At
absolutely.
least you can. That thing is going to give you a push, maybe a little bit, but That
Mm.
push is very important.
That push is very important. Absolutely. So
Yes.
we started by talking about overthinking as a problem. And you realized overthinking is holding you back during COVID. And since then, what you have been doing is, setting some time limit on your overthinking, not only sitting on your bed, but actually getting up and doing something about it, making a
Yes.
plan towards it, or even listening to motivational speakers so that you get that push ki abhi aage badhna hai, we need to do
Hmm.
something. What
Yes.
more do you do when it comes to overthinking?
What more do? These are the things which I actually do, like क्योंकि बहुत बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो गया है और सीन ये है कि लाइक यू कांट जस्ट वेस्ट टाइम इट इज वेरी
Correct,
लिमिटेड यू नो
correct.
if you see back तो it was 2019 when I see कि everything was good.
Yeah.
2 years has passed, nothing has, like some people have lost their family members, some
Mm.
has lost a lot of things, some has lost their houses,
Mm.
because they can't
Yeah,
pay rent. Everybody's not having their own home, right? So
correct.
they are not able to pay the rent, and they have to shift back to their hometown. Many things have happened. So I would ask everyone to, अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या कुछ कुछ भी ऐसा सिचुएशन में अगर आप चल रहे हो, जस्ट
Mm.
सेट, थिंक कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और
Mm.
ये सोचिए आप कि हु इज द राइट पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू गिव यू द राइट डायरेक्शन.
Mm.
And one more thing is, yeah, I guess Shah Rukh Khan has told this thing, and which is very true. Never forget the person when you were very down.
Yeah,
आप जब बहुत ही खराब स्थिति में हो और जब किसी ने आपको हेल्प किया है ना, तो इस इंसान को कभी मत भूलना, चाहे आप कितने भी सक्सेसफुल क्यों ना हो, क्योंकि
correct,
वही एक इंसान है जो आपका असली अंदर का आदमी जानता है कि हाँ भाई ये कैसा आदमी है.
correct, correct. There are people agreeing with you, and Linchi Akka Aman has said he
He creates
creates
awesome.
awesome riffs when he overthinks. And
Yeah.
yeah, would you like to add to that?
Yeah, thank you. I do.
Hmm.
He's my drummer.
Okay,
He
he's
used
your
to be my,
drummer.
yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Creates awesome riffs. What does riffs mean? I don't know. Is it
Yeah,
writing? Is it?
music. Yeah,
Okay.
writing music.
Ah, okay. Would you like to share anything? I mean, I don't usually do that, but it will be fun if you would like to share something.
Not exactly now because I have packed, I have packed all my, because I
Mm-hmm.
have to shift my house from this to some other house.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why everything is packed. And we are shifting day after tomorrow. That's the
Oh,
problem.
wow. Okay,
Yeah.
wow. Yeah, that's like now. All the best with this shifting.
Yeah.
And we were talking about overthinking, and to overcome overthinking, take the actions, put a time limit. And one thing that was missed while talking, which you had mentioned, was talk to that one particular person. Talk
Hmm.
to someone who can help you get through this particular stage where you're feeling stuck. Know who that person can be and just reach out, because moving forward becomes more important. And when you become
Yes.
successful, when you have achieved and attained everything, then remember who that person was, because that person knows who you truly are.
Yes.
So Vishal is saying play a melody, or bro sing a tune if you want to just hum something. And good things start with H says, yeah, please sing something for us. Well, public demand, you can't deny that now.
I I don't have a song in my mind right now. What to sing?
Should we ask audience to recommend something? Any suggestion?
No, I have like I okay. So pardon me.
Yeah.
It's a song. It's a very old song. Not really old, but 2000s के time पे. So it goes like कहीं ना लागे मन क्या है ये सुनापन आहा मुझे तुम बता दो कोई तो वजह दो आहा आहा हर घड़ी तेरी सांसों में आ रहा है कोई, हर घड़ी मेरी नींदों में छा रहा है कोई. So that's
Beautiful, yeah. I loved it. It's amazing.
thank
I'm
you,
so glad that people forced you to sing.
thank you,
I don't know what to say, but it was amazing.
thank you.
Okay.
So buy
So
my album.
buy your album? Definitely. Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. We are going to buy your album. Okay. So we were talking about your everyday struggles. One of the everyday struggles that you're facing is overcoming. And there are certain steps that you are working on and you are taking on everyday basis, working on everyday basis to overcome it. So what would you like to say? How are these things helping you out so far?
It is helping me a lot. Like in my everyday life, I'm getting a push to
Mm,
wake up early, to do something about the marketing, to do something about how to grow more business, like because it is anyways going to go a little bit down in
hmm,
uh, walk-in sales, basically. So I'm just planning my future, a
mm-hmm,
long-term future in a
mm,
written, programmed, everything based thing, in a proper chart stuff ki when I have to do what,
yeah,
in which I have to put how much money or XYZ, that thing.
correct,
So
correct.
basically, I'm planning.
Mm,
As I,
totally
as I told
agree.
you, like I'm not that successful or I'm not very successful. So I'm trying to be successful so that I can do something about the album because it cost a lot.
Yeah, it can. A lot of time investment, money investment, energy, a lot goes into starting anything new. And when you find yourself stuck, when it comes to overthinking, it's better to just start acting on it. And
Yes.
I don't know has if this has happened with you as well. So when you just start acting on those things, on the things that you are thinking about, instead of only thinking about them, automatically things start panning out, automatically
Yes.
things start linking, automatically those kind of people come into your life who are just
Hmm.
helping you pave the way and
Because you're
everything.
trying to reach out to them as well, right? You're not just
Yeah.
sitting back and just thinking कि हाँ आज मैंने पौधा लगा दिया है तो कल फूल तो आ जाएगा. तो it's not gonna happen like.
Yeah.
So
Sorry,
you
you did
have
sound
to.
like Sumit there for a while, so I connected. कि okay, उन्होंने complete. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that is true. So, while overthinking, there are basically two things that we can consider. One is if you are only going to overthink, it will just remain a thought. And for a creative person like you, for artists like you, if you just think about it and not act on it, that art will never come out. वो miss हो जाएगा
Yes.
कहीं.
हाँ.
And on the other hand, if you work on your overthinking, like after a certain point, if you start acting on it, start taking any actions towards it, not only will the right people come into your life, but your plans will actually actualize. And वो जो चीज इतनी बड़ी लग रही थी, that will not seem that big because you are
Hmm.
already in a process of moving forward, and that
Yes.
art that was going to go amiss is going to then come out and in a very refined manner.
Yes. So you need to have. आप कुछ भी करो लेकिन प्लान जरूर करो भाई क्योंकि प्लान करना बहुत जरूरी है. आप कुछ भी करना चाहते हो अगर इवन दो कि लाइक even the person who wants to become a doctor, he just doesn't become a doctor overnight, right? He has to plan it from class 6, 7, 8. तो उस हिसाब से then he studies, then he put all his effort or whatever that person can do. Then he
Mm.
gives that um, AI triple E or India, like any
Yeah,
examination like going for AIMS or anything. तो वो सारे एग्जाम के लिए भी तो आपको प्रिपेयर करना ही पड़ता है. And that is not an exam like you can study overnight and just write it and you're going to
yeah.
picked up. It's not
Mm.
going to happen. So everything is planned. तो आपको
Everything.
प्लान करना ही पड़ेगा.
And what would you like to say about for people, the people who are planning, but they are they are overthinking their plans a lot as well. So it's one step to only think. Then there's the other step where you're planning, and then there is another step where you're overthinking all your plans and trying to
Hmm.
consider all the possibilities. So even
Hmm.
that leads you to other direction where you're not moving forward.
Hmm.
What would you like to say about that?
I would say that is actually a waste of time. Why to
Mm.
waste time? Act upon it.
Mm.
And the best way to act, sorry, I told you na, that
Yeah.
motivational speaker thing. So you need to
Yeah.
hear that.
Mm.
सुनते
Okay.
रहो, कुछ ना कुछ तो करो. ऐसे बैठे रहोगे तो nothing's going to happen. Because
Better
it, see,
than nothing
it
happens. Mm.
happens with if you say YouTuber, Instagrammers, you know, uh,
Mm.
they they have to keep on coming with a new thing every day. Then only
Yeah.
they'll get the more reach or they'll have their followers. Otherwise, if someone is not doing anything, is not putting anything, maybe a meme or maybe anything, then
Yeah.
automatically people start forgetting them. Because this is what nowadays people are. You know, they are into phone and social media. They are into more into showing off than what they are doing in real life.
Mm.
कि भाई मैं they don't have a car. For example, I'm not telling anybody, but somebody is not having an expensive car. But वो जबरदस्ती उसको, like he's clicking pictures and sending it to some girls or maybe some boys or something. And when that person in real life, when they meet them, then the expectation is really apart from what that reality is.
Correct.
तो तो ये
Mm.
सब भाई दिखावे पे मत जाओ, अपनी अकल लगाओ और प्लानिंग करो
Correct.
अपनी
Correct.
चीजों पे.
So there's another thing that we are talking about here right now to know कि हम अंदर से कौन है, be real, be authentic, stay
Yes.
true to who you are, and then
Hmm.
work on your plans and actions.
Then
Because
only
if
God will be helping you, bro. That's the only
absolutely,
way. If you are
absolutely,
not true to yourself, like if you can't even see yourself in the mirror, then who you are? Nobody
hmm,
wants to see you then.
true, true. Because if you're going to deceive others, there are high
Yes.
chances others can also deceive you. So
Yeah.
it's better to be authentic. तो वो real चीजें automatically then better things will happen. So it's
Hmm.
good to not go with only जो दिखता है वो बिकता है like Vishal has mentioned here, but to also be that person, become that person, and then दिखावा करना.
हाँ, नहीं
But
बिकता
that
तो
doesn't
है ब्रो.
happen.
एक बार वो जो दिखता है वो बिक जाता है, लेकिन एक बार बिकने के बाद जब रियलिटी आता है ना, तो फिर वो दोबारा कभी नहीं बिकता.
Hmm, that is true.
क्योंकि आप एक दुकान वाले से अगर कुछ सामान लेने जाओ और आप
Hmm,
आप जब उससे सामान लिया और बगल वाली दुकान में आपको जब आपको पता चला कि ये चीज आपसे एग्जैक्टली डबल प्राइस में ले लिया है और आपको जबरदस्ती वो खराब सामान दे दिया है, तो आप कभी भी जिंदगी में चाहे कितना भी बड़ा काम ना हो जाए, आप उस दुकान में नहीं जाओगे. तो
correct.
एक कस्टमर तो उसको एक लाइफ टाइम के लिए कर दिया ना. तो
Absolutely
दिखता है, हाँ दिखता है तो बिकता है, लेकिन अगर वो सामान खराब निकला तो फिर दोबारा कभी नहीं बिकता है.
true. Authenticity sells more long term. Absolutely. It might take a lot of time, but then only the
यस.
true and the real people will come to you or connect with you, and then you
यस.
can move on. Okay, lovely, beautiful. So we have discussed about so many things, overthinking, plans and actions and motivation, listening to motivational people. And we've also now discussed about being authentic, being real, and showing only what you are and who you are, and creating content as per that. कुछ भी अलग नहीं
यस.
करना है, so that things just open up for you. So Shafi, what would you like to tell our audience? What is that one thing? Let's begin where.
That one thing. Uh, for me, that one thing is knowing that what I have to do for my family.
Oh, okay. Wow. Mm.
Whatever happens, like I can't give up on my family. So whatever I'm doing it for my family.
Mm.
Because I really don't care ki, like no, 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 like in today's life, nobody actually needs anybody. Not even brother needs a brother. Not even sister needs a sister. वो कभी कभी फंक्शन में कभी एक बारी मिल लिए तो मिल लिए. अदरवाइज कभी फोन भी नहीं आता है.
True.
बहुत सारा लाइफ में है ऐसा. मतलब लोग आपके लाइफ जिंदगी में आएंगे और आपसे कभी एक आध बार कभी लाइफ में बात हो गई, वो भी काम के लिए. नहीं तो काम नहीं करेंगे. जो
Mm.
आखिरी तक आपके साथ रहता है, दैट इज योर पेरेंट्स. And you have to do whatever you can because they have done everything for you guys, for me, for every parent does for their child. So
True.
whatever you're doing, do it for your parents, make them happy, and take advice from your parents because the struggles they have gone through, you have not gone through. तभी तो हम अपने बच्चे छोटे भाइयों या बहनों को बोलते हैं कि डूड एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रहे हैं वाला होता है ना। तो
Yeah, yeah.
yes, so you have to take advice from your experience and do it for your family. I would say do it for your family, do it for your wife, do it for your child, but do it.
Mm.
You
Do it
have
for
to
someone in
take
your
that push.
family.
Yes, you have to
Mm.
take that push.
Absolutely, because in some uncertain times when you don't know what to do, their mere presence can be that
Yes.
motivation factor कि नहीं इनके लिए करना है, for that smile on their face, for the comfort
हाँ.
that you want to give them. So
Hmm.
whatever you're doing, do it for your family, and that will just act like a push and motivation. Absolutely, that is
Yes.
so beautifully said, Shafi. Thank you so much. Would you like to share something more before we move towards closing this live session today?
Something more. I would ask everyone कि इनका जो नया बुक आया है वो जरूर लेना, ऑनलाइन वाला।
Course.
ठीक है। और
Online course, yeah.
और मेरा भी एल्बम जरूर खरीदिएगा अगर कभी हम रिलीज करेंगे तो।
Okay. Thank you so much for even mentioning about
थैंक
my
यू।
course that is coming online. And definitely, once your debut is out, we are going to all listen to it and buy the album. You be rest assured about that. And how are
Yeah.
you feeling after sharing your experience with us over here on this platform?
It's a nice experience, and one thing as I told you, uh, the best part about your episodes are like you come up with the people who are grounded, like who are doing it from the ground and not just some kind of, yeah, not just some very famous people who can just come up with some kind of, like a scripted kind of thing, not the scripted kind of thing. So that is
Correct.
the very good part about your episodes.
So, yes, that is the main reason to start this Let's Begin There series, to bring everyday people and to help them realize that you are the hero of your own journey. So this
Yes.
give you a chance to reflect on your life, all the things that you have overcome and where you have reached. Plus, you get to inspire other people from your stories, because like today when you were discussing, we came across Vishal, who's going through a similar thing, and probably he might have taken some inspiration from you. I am taking the inspiration from you to, start planning towards it, start acting towards it, and put a time to it. I had never thought
Hmm.
about that. If you're overthinking, it's okay, overthink for a while, but put a timer to it. So there's
Yes.
so many learnings each one of us have because of our experiences, and that is the reason why this particular live series exists. That is the concept behind it. So thank you
That's
so
really
much for
nice.
acknowledging that.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll catch up.
Yes, Shafi, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your stories. It takes a lot of guts and, power to come over here and share it with the new people who are listening. And yeah, it just takes a lot of gut, I feel. So thank you so much. And
Thank you.
we shall stay in touch. And bye, guys. I will see you next week, next Sunday, with a new everyday game changer with new stories and some new inspiration. Okay. Bye.
Ta-da.